Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from Power Grid. Yes, Power Grid is also going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2025 scorecard. Let's have a look. So when you will go to the official website of Power Grid here, you can see recruitment of engineers trainee 2025 through GATE 25, and they release the advertisement on 27th September, means today only. When you will click here, you can see the detailed advertisement. Let's check it out. So here we can see that the Power Grid is going to recruit for the fresh engineering graduates for executive positions as engineer trainee 2025 in electrical, electronics, civil, computer science discipline through GATE 2025. When we are going to this one, we know that Power Grid is a Maharatna, and here you can see engineer trainee, okay, in these branches on the basis of GATE 2025. Although they will release that how many number of vacancies they are having, what is the cutoff, although later also. So vacancies and reservation, they not mentioned here. Okay, what is this? Key, it's mentioned detail of number of vacancies and reservations shall be indicated in the notification to be published on our website before commencement of online registration, not right now. Okay. Eligibility criteria is valid GATE scorecard in GATE 2025. They required here engineers trainee electrical paper code should be double in electronics EC, in civil CE, or in computer science CS should be your paper code in the upcoming GATE 2025 exam. Okay, and then upper age limit will be 28 years. Essential qualification is BE Tech. They required with minimum 60% marks in the respective branches. Okay, full time BE Tech. And in that case, final year, they mentioned this thing also, final year or semester, final semester students who expect their final result by the 14th August 2025 are eligible for applying, okay, on the basis of GATE 2025 scorecard. So here relaxation and concession is mentioned, and upper age limit relaxation also they mention here when I'm talking about the selection process. So selection process consists of marks obtained out of 100 in the corresponding paper of the GATE 25, then group discussion, and then personal interview. Okay, eligible candidates have to appear with these branches paper as I told you already there. Okay, then they will shortlist you on the basis of your marks, and then they will call you for the group discussion and interview. The weightage also they mention here for the qualifying marks in the interview, 40% for the unreserved and EWS, and for the others it is 30%. Okay, and here the weightage of the different parameters: GATE 25 marks weightage is 85%, group discussion 3%, and personal interview weightage will be 12% there. Okay, and I think job description is mentioned. Yeah, compensation and package. So this is a good thing. During the training period, your package will be 10.70 lakh per annum, and after successful completion of training, the package will be 21.40 lakh per annum, which is surely a very good amount. The corporation offers a very attractive pay package and is one of the best in the industry, that for sure. Okay, selected candidates will be placed in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 during the 1 year training period. This shall be paid basic of 40,000. That's why this is 10.70 along with the IDA, HR, and perks at 12% of the basic pay. During the training period, the approximate CTC will be in the training period 10.7, and after training it will be 21.4. When they are talking about CTC, it means here the amount, basic amount plus all the allowances they included here. Okay. So on successful completion of training, the amount will be in the E2 scale 50,000 to 1,60,000 plus the all the basic pay, adherence allowances, and all that. Okay. So important instruction for the registration application. So right now you need to fill the form for the GATE 2025, as the form already, the form filling date already has been extended up to the 3rd October. So you can fill the form without late fees in the for the GATE 2025 up to the 3rd October. As they mention here, application window for the Power Grid shall be opened during the February or March 25 tentatively. Candidates have to register themselves online at the Power Grid website with the details of their GATE 25 application number and all that they require. Okay. and then you need to fill a separate form also. You require to log into your candidate login section and then deposit non-refundable application fees of rupees 500. So when the application process will start, it will after the get 25 result, means approximately in February or March. All right, so more details are mentioned here, but again the important thing is get 25 only here. So last date has been extended, which is 3rd October. Before that you can fill the form, and then here the application form will be started, okay, approximately in the February, and the last date will be in the March. All right, dear students, stay connected to IMS GATE Academy YouTube channel for more type of videos. Thank you.